Hi guys, my name is Isaac. You're welcome to my channel once again. So very quickly in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create an account on Trust Wallet and how to save your key phrase securely and out of the reach of scammers. So without wasting time, in case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a take in the comment section below, share this video to your friends and family. As always, my name is Isaac, so let's get straight to the business of the day. So as you can see, just click on create a wallet. Okay, make sure you read their privacy policy terms of service. Then after you're done reading it, click on I have read blah 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 and click on continue. Okay, back up your wallet now. Okay, I understand that if I lose blah blah blah, click on continue. Okay, so what you have to do now is copy the recovery phrase that you will be given after you've clicked on all the I've clicked to the 10. So click on the recovery phrase. You see them, there are 12 recovery phrase. So copy them, and then this is what you're going to do. First, you have to write them down. Just follow everything I'm saying now so that you won't get stuck. Write them down. I'm writing them down as I'm speaking right now. So I'm pausing. Okay, so I'm done writing them down. Click on continue after you've written them down. So what you have to do now, you will be given a page to verify recovery phrase. Tap the words. You can go and read them through. Now, so the way you wrote them down, like number 1 blah blah blah, number 2 blah blah blah, you're going to be clicking them to verify them. So first, the first recovery phrase was trace, so I'm going to look for trace. I've clicked trace. So you just keep clicking them, number 1, number 2, number 3 down to 12. So that's that. Okay, so after you're done, you'll be given a message like well done. Click on done. Boom, your wallet was successfully created. Click on done. So we've successfully created our wallet. So that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, drop your take, what you think, your questions in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, please, guys. Subscribe. As always, my name is Isaac. Thank you for watching. Peace out.